How to turn on driving mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Focus. Focus lets you customize your devices and silence calls and notifications. As you can see, your phone is now in driving mode. Over here, go to Driving. And then, scroll down to the end and tap on While driving. From here, choose how you want to activate the driving mode. For example, when connected to car Bluetooth. This means that driving focus will be activated while connected to car Bluetooth devices. Alternatively, swipe down on the screen from the top right corner. Here, tap on the focus button as shown. And then, tap on the driving button below to turn it on. Following these steps, you can easily turn on driving mode on iPhone.